Welcome you back again to another video lecture on Python programming, and here we're going to print out Fibonacci sequence using recursion. Alright, so we're going to create a simple function here, and here we're going to just get the exact value of any number of Fibonacci we need. Maybe you want the 9th number or the 10th number or the 11th or the 2nd. It go ahead and print that out for you. So if you could remember, we did that previously without a function, but here I'll go ahead and teach you how to do that using a function. So go ahead and say the Fibonacci, and pass in the value of x right in there. Now let's go ahead and say if x is equivalent to 1 or x is equivalent to 2. Now we go ahead and return 1, and we go ahead and return Fibonacci of x minus 1. Sorry, that is inside the bracket, x minus 1 plus Fibonacci of x minus 2. Alright, now let's go ahead and print out. Go ahead and print out Fibonacci of anyone, let's say the 9th one. Okay, go ahead and run this code. Let's check it out. So Fibonacci of the 9th is 34. Can you know that? What of Fibonacci of the 2nd one is, could be 1. Let's go ahead and check it out. 1. And Fibonacci of the 3rd one is 2. Go ahead and run this code and check it out. Can you see that? 2. And in this way you can be able to print out Fibonacci of any one. Okay, so remember, it is the same, universal, and everywhere. So anyone you call will print it out. Let's say you want the 10th one, and go ahead and say, let's say the 8th. Let's print the 8th, and the 8th is what? 21, and the 9th one is 34. So 21 plus 34 is 55. Then let's go ahead and check 10 and know if it's going to give us 55. Run this code and check it out. Can you see that? That is 55. So Fibonacci doesn't change, it's just the same everywhere, all over the world. Alright, so the code is just ready before you. Go ahead and put this down on your own system and play around with it. And in case you have any question, please go ahead and use the question and the answer section, and I'm going to get back to you as soon as possible. Thank you so much, and I'm going to see you in the next video lecture.